Hi, my name is Dawn and this is my review of the Hilife portable steamer. I was provided this product for review. It does have a little instruction manual, which is great, and just explains to you how to use the product. There are some brushes in here that I'll attach to the head. These will help get out those extra tough wrinkles. Got a little water cup for easy filling, the head of the steamer, and then the steamer itself. Now, something else that I think is a big positive about this one, it's actually for a travel size steamer, larger capacity than a lot of others. So this one is, I believe, 240 milliliters, which most are under that 200 mark. How you open and close it, so turn it counterclockwise to open and to fill, line up the sides and just slide it back into place and it's ready to go. It also has a nice 9-foot cord, which is great because especially when you're in hotel rooms and things like that, right? Where plugs are isn't always convenient. So yeah, job that I expected, especially for a portable steamer. Great, again, portable, can take it with you on vacation, to the office. It's doing the job, which is awesome. I would for sure recommend this tiny little steamer.